You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from boxing, but also French names that can be a bit confusing, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you. The French pronunciation is as Marcel Cerdan. Marcel Cerdan. Marcel Cerdan. If you don't pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Marcel Cerdan. Marcel Cerdan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.